everybody, it's Miss Foot Fixer and welcome to another callus removal. This is a patient with callus on the first, second and fifth metatarsal heads. The areas seen here are pretty common for callus formation. Causes for callus include a small flexion in the knee joint, large ankle pronation, and also footwear, especially during walking, running, and doing activities, which builds up calluses. I'm using a single-use template to take the dead skin off. You can see I'm touching the area to make sure the skin is even, because who wants to feel uneven skin? You can see that there is some callus on the second metatarsal head. And one of the reasons that could cause callus to build up in that area is that people who wear kind of excessively long footwear, in a way, I guess it kind of, if it's narrower and it's long, it can squeeze along the second metatarsal head and then increase the risk of external forces, which builds up callus itself. We can see some brown discoloration in this area. Sometimes when you have too much callus, it starts to break down the tissue underneath and can make it brown, it can make it dark red because of dry blood, and also it can make it white. Here I'm using a 15 blade. I find that the difference between a single-use blade and one with a solid kind of handle, the blue one and the metal one, is that they cut a lot better. I think single-use blades, maybe it's not as sharp. That's why I changed it from that 10 to 15. Everyone, I've started to do some voiceovers and I would love to know if this is something you like. Please let me know in the comments, and if there's a video from the past that you want me to comment on, let me know. As always, thank you for watching and stay till the end of the video to see the before and after. So here you can see some white discoloration. Again, as explained before, the reason why is because when you have excessive amount of callus, it can lead to tissue breakdown, and these are signs that there's some damage underneath. And why is this an issue? Well, it can indicate that you're going to potentially start developing an ulcer, so you have to be really, really careful. Here I'm using the drill to file. These are really nice drills. I think they came out like 2-3 years ago, and it's got like a flat head. You probably heard of molds this. I hate using them in the past actually, because I always felt like it was very unpredictable. Sometimes it can just flick off. But this is really good because it's got a solid kind of metal holder, and then you just put a grit onto it and it files really well. Another method is using a handheld file. It takes a little bit more time and also gives you really nice strong biceps. And the good thing about these is that it can do a bigger area, and that you can replace these single kind of files with new ones so that they continue to file forever. Thanks for watching Foot Fixers. Remember to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Check me out on all the other platforms too, at Miss Foot Fixer. I'll see you soon.